Hello everyone, Jash for you comes again with their first food blog. So today we'll show you one of the finest Maharashtrian restaurant where you can have delicious and authentic Maharashtrian food, which is Sout Al Canary Restaurant located in Sharjah, UAE. So let's get going and see what is there in the menu. I had one of the best main course of their menu, which was chicken thali with vada, and it was so appetizing. And here you can see there are different varieties of fried items like chicken lollipop and fish fries. Personally, I'm a street food lover, so I tried the sev puri and misal pav, which was very much delicious. Last but not the least, this restaurant, which is one of the finest restaurants in Sharjah, is really having a great ambience, and of course the Maharashtrian cuisine not only fills the stomach but it also fills our heart. Also, if you want us to promote your own venture or startup, you may send us a mail at foryoujash@gmail.com. To watch more food blogs, please like, share and subscribe. Jash for you.